Okay, this is going to be a review of the Sawyer Gravity Water Filtration system. Now the filter cap is on here. We'll take this off to fill it up. You can see with the movement of the water that it fills it up pretty quick. Alright, so this is unfiltered water. Fairly routine with Sawyer filters. You need to clean them, and you do that by back flushing them. They'll provide a 50 ml syringe, and you just put it in your water source. I would recommend that it be clean clean water, filtered water. So we've got 50 cc there, and the arrow comes this way, so you're going to back flush it, and this will probably get a little messy, but you just flush it out like that and you'll have a better flow rate. Now we're going to demonstrate the Sawyer Gravity filter with the 1 gallon bag that we filled up from the creek. We lift up the retainer cap, remove that, attach the tubing that goes to the filter. Make sure the blue attachment's on good and firm. Now we can lower it. We want to let the air get out of the tubing, and then using this blue adapter we're going to attach the filter, the receiving bottle, which is just an empty smart bottle of water. Make sure everything's tightened up. Okay, let's check our bottle and do the taste test. We've got the blue adapter connected to the tubing, to the gray adapter, to the filter pointing towards your receiving bottle, being a smart water empty bottle, which is now full. So let's cap this off at the top. Unscrewed the filter. So, the taste test. Bon appetit. That's great water. I am so impressed with this system, I'm going to buy a second one. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please click like and subscribe. It helps the channel, it helps the community. Be prepared.